Hey everyone, ever wonder how AI is getting better at reasoning? Like actually thinking through problems instead of just memorizing answers. Today, we're diving into a breakthrough called RLPR, a new way to train AI to reason smarter without needing human experts to check its work. Let's break it down. So here's the problem. Traditional AI training relies on verifiers, like a teacher grading a student's homework. For math problems, that's straightforward. A formula can be checked with rules. But for general questions, like why is the sky blue, creating these graders is a mess. They're time-consuming, expensive, and don't scale. That's where RLPR comes in. The key idea: let the AI grade itself. Here's how. When the model generates an answer, it assigns probabilities to each word it chooses. For example, if it writes, "The sky is blue because of Rayleigh scattering," the model's internal confidence in each word acts like a built-in score. RLPR uses these probabilities as a reward signal. No external tools needed. But here's the catch. Those probabilities can be noisy. So the team invented two tricks. First, a prob-to-reward method that smooths out the noise, turning raw probabilities into reliable feedback. Imagine this. Instead of taking the model's confidence at face value, the algorithm weights high-probability words more heavily, creating a clearer signal for improvement. Second, a curriculum learning system that adapts during training, filtering out prompts that are too easy or too hard. Think of it as a personalized tutor that scales with the model's growing capabilities. Together, they make training stable and effective. The results: RLPR smashed benchmarks. On tests like TheoremQA and Minerva, it outperformed existing methods by 7.5 points or more, and even beat models that used specialized verifiers. It worked across different AI models, from Qwen to Llama and Gemma. Imagine an AI that can reason about anything, from math to everyday questions, without needing a human to code the rules. How does this work under the hood? Let's get technical. The prob-to-reward mechanism uses a softmax function to normalize word-level probabilities, then applies a temperature scaling factor to dampen noise. This transforms raw confidence scores into a reward landscape that the model can optimize. Meanwhile, curriculum learning employs a dynamic difficulty scheduler, using reinforcement learning to adjust training prompts in real time. If the model struggles with a question, the system temporarily simplifies it. If it excels, the complexity increases. This creates a feedback loop that prevents overfitting and ensures steady progress. So what does this mean for the future? RLPR isn't just a technical win. It's a step toward AI that's more adaptable and less reliant on human oversight. No more building custom checkers for every new task. Just let the model learn from its own intuition. Next time you see an AI answer a tricky question, remember, behind the scenes, systems like RLPR are quietly revolutionizing how machines think. The future of AI isn't just about speed or size, it's about smarts. Thanks for watching, stay curious.